Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be taking a look at the Speakeasy Leather Bodhi dual card wallet. Let's check it out. Alright, let me give you guys a nice close-up of the Speakeasy Leather Bodhi dual card wallet here. And you can see this is the one with the snaps. And while you guys are checking this out, let's talk about the features. Alright, so the Bodhi dual card wallet is part bifold and part minimalist wallet and can hold up to 12 cards plus cash in its dual card pockets and dedicated cash pocket. It's made of full grain Badalassi Carlo vegetable tan leather. And like every Speakeasy Leather wallet, you have your choice of leather color, thread color, logo style, and snap options. The color that I have right here is Badalassi Carlo olive green with the olive color stitching with the antique brass snaps. And the Bodhi dual card wallet is handmade right here in the USA. Alright, so what about the dimensions here? It comes in at 3 inches by 4 3/8 inches while closed. And by my weight test, it comes in at 2.1 ounces. That's 58 grams. And remember, I have the version with the snaps. All right, let's take a closer look at the Bodhi dual card wallet here so we can determine if this is the right wallet for you. So let's start out with the quality here. If you own any Speakeasy Leather wallets or have seen any of my videos, you know that Rob over there at Speakeasy Leather makes an excellent product, and this bad boy is no different. So this is full grain Badalassi Carlo vegetable tan leather, and if I get in real close, you can see that grain. It looks awesome. Top-notch leather, great choice. It is a $12 upcharge though if you go with Badalassi Carlo. I'll give you guys a nice close-up of that stitching so you can check it out for yourself. This is pretty nice work. Now you guys know I don't like big obnoxious branding, but for some reason I just love the Speakeasy Leather logo. And check it out, this is the Scully version, just down here in the corner, and on the back we have the full body version of the Scully logo. And honestly, if this guy took up this whole back, I wouldn't be mad at all. I just love this little guy. And yes, I did get the version with the snaps. You can get this with or without these snaps, and they do come in multiple colors. This is the antique brass, and they also come in black. And just based on the materials used and the quality of craftsmanship, it should be no surprise that this wallet is top-notch when it comes to quality. All right, so now let's briefly talk about the styling here. So the styling takes a lot of inspiration from one of my favorite wallets from this year, the Diavella wallet. Or the Diavella wallet here took inspiration from the Bodhi dual card wallet. I'm not really sure which one came first. Rob, if you're watching this, maybe you can shed some light on this, but you can see very, very similar in style here. Except, of course, on the Diavella, we have a single pocket, but here on the Bodhi dual card wallet, we have 2 card pockets. Which is, of course, why it's called the dual card wallet. That should be obvious. So let's talk about this card pocket here. So we have this semicircular cutout right here on the top, which makes it really easy to grab your cards out once they're in there. And a cutout right here where we can easily just swipe through the cards with our thumb. And we have exactly the same deal right here on the other side, exactly the same card pocket. But under the card pocket here on the left side is the dedicated cash pocket, which means you can store your bills in here unfolded or folded in half, which is fantastic. You can also grab the Bodhi dual card wallet without these snaps here. And I did get the version with the snaps just so I can show you guys what it looks like. And if you notice, the snaps are in the inside, but on the outside, it's fairly clean. You don't see the snaps at all. So I think this is a pretty smart design hiding those snaps here, because when it's snapped up, it has a nice clean look to it. And generally, I'm not a fan of snaps on a wallet, but there's just something about the Speakeasy line of wallets that I don't mind the snaps at all. I'm not really sure what it is. I just love the styling of these wallets. We have the Diavella here with the snap, and I absolutely love this thing. But of course, you have the option to leave those snaps off if you want to. And let's talk about this olive green color in this wallet. I never thought I would absolutely love a green wallet, but here we are. The olive green Badalassi Carlo with this olive color stitching, it just pops on this wallet. And look at this thing. This wallet is beautiful. So now let's jump to the card test here. They say it can hold up to 12 cards in its 2 card pockets here. So I have 6 flat credit cards right here. And super easy to get your cards in and out of this wallet, as you can see. And I have another 6 flat cards right here. And let's just put these on the other side, stuff those in. So that's the maximum 12 cards. So let's close it up, snap it, and I can show you the thickness of the Bodhi dual card wallet with the maximum 12 cards in there. And just for the heck of it, let's take a measurement with those 12 cards in there, and it comes in at 0.84 4 inches, and in millimeters, that's 21.34 millimeters. Now remember, that's with the maximum 12 cards in there without any cash. And if you're wondering about the functionality, if you saw any of my other videos on the Diavella wallet or the Bodhi ID card wallet, it's gonna function exactly the same. We have this large cutout right here where it makes it really easy just to cycle through your cards. Or with the semicircular cutout right here, you can just grab all of your cards at once and use the fan method. Functionality is fantastic. And with the Bodhi dual card wallet, we have that same functionality on both sides. So that's why I really, really like this wallet. And now it also has a dedicated cash pocket right here underneath this card pocket. And the website doesn't really state how many bills this can hold. So right here I have 10 American dollar bills. And yes, you can store these bills unfolded if you want to. And there we go. So anytime a minimalist wallet gives you the option to store your bills unfolded, I do think that's a win. But for me personally, when I open my wallet, I don't like having these bills folded over like this. Now, some of you guys out there might not mind this at all. In fact, you might prefer it. But for me, because I only carry bills for emergencies, I like to fold these in half and stuff them right behind this card pocket just because it's out of my way and I don't have to worry about those bills flopping over getting in my way. But that's the nice thing about this design here is you have the option to either fold them in half, quarters, thirds, or just leave them unfolded if you prefer. All right, guys, let's talk about what I like about the Bodhi dual card wallet. So first off, the quality of materials here is excellent. Like everything I've ever seen from Speakeasy Leather, the craftsmanship here is top notch. The stitching here is fantastic. All the cuts look perfect. All the edges are nicely burnished. Like I said, everything is top notch. I love the styling and the design here of this wallet. The card pockets from Speakeasy Leather are some of my favorites out there. It's just a highly functional card pocket that makes it really easy to get your cards in and out just based on the design. And the Bodhi dual card wallet has 2 of those pockets, so it's a win-win. I also like that it has a dedicated cash pocket where you can leave your bills unfolded or fold it in half if you want. And I absolutely love this olive green color on this Battalassi Carlo leather. It looks fantastic. And I like the fact that it can hold up to 12 cards and still maintain a fairly slim profile, even being a bifold. All right, let's talk about what I don't like about the Bodhi dual card wallet. Normally, I would put the fact that it has snaps and being a bifold under the negative section, but I can't do that here. The reason I don't like bifolds is because I'm more of a minimalist wallet person, and this wallet being a minimalist bifold, it just doesn't have that bifold feeling to it. This right here is how you make a modern minimalist bifold. Usually bifolds are super thick and chunky because they have stacked pockets here and the cards make it very thick, but not this guy. Just like I mentioned in my positive section, it still maintains a fairly slim profile even with the maximum amount of cards in there, so that's not going to be a negative here. And also, I usually don't like the snaps, but I don't mind the snaps here, and I don't know why. I think it's because maybe they're hidden and you don't really see them from the outside. I'm not exactly sure, but these snaps here, I kind of like them. So I would normally put those under my negative section, but I'm not going to do that here. So are there any negatives to this wallet? I honestly can't think of any. This wallet is made to do one thing, carry your cash and cards in a nice, convenient, functional package, and it does exactly that. And it also does it in a very pretty package, especially with this olive green Battalassi Carlo. I absolutely love it, and who doesn't love this little guy? So would I recommend the Speakeasy Leather Bodhi dual card wallet? Yes, absolutely. I think at $79.95, this is an absolute steal. If you want the Battalassi Carlo, you have to add an extra $12, but at under $80, I think this is a fantastic find, especially if you're looking for a minimalist bifold. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you think of the Speakeasy Leather Bodhi dual card wallet? Now, if you want to check this out for yourself, I will have links below in my description box. But if you did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!